Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project that will be very fun and you will like it. So okay guys, so first of all we'd like to import by starting by importing sys. Yep. After we import that we'd like to import time too. Next we'd like to do is write text equals Python makes even terminals look alive. Yep, and then the right an exclamation mark, and let's add an emoji. Yep, cool. Yep. So I like to write for char in text sys.stdout write clear. Oh, not clear, char. Then we write sys.stdout flush time dot sleep 0.1, then print. Okay guys, let's save it up and let's run it. Python makes even terminals look alive. So okay guys, that was all for this video. See you in the next one. Let me fix it up. See you in the next one. Bye bye.